Hello, welcome to this edition of My Bangkok. I'm Simon.
And my name is Dha.
And today we're going to film a place which is actually my Bangkok, some place which is very special to me. As you can see, we're by Sanam Chai BTS station, and where are we? We're also
close to the canal near Pak Khlong Talad, which is close to the mouth of the river.
So Pak means mouth, Khlong is canal, Talad is market. So yes, we're going to explore Pak Khlong Talad, otherwise known as the flower market. Come with us. Gai Yang, we're starting with street food. Oh, it's got Talad and sauce, it's good though.
Okay, Simon, where are we now?
Well, the flower market, or Pak Khlong Talad, is actually made up of four different market areas, all forming one area known as the flower market. This market, Pak Khlong Talad market, is one of the original ones. It's a government-owned market area, although run by Yod Piman now. Inside there's a lot more fresh goods, vegetables and dry goods as well, not flowers. KFC.
Okay, it's better than KFC.
Okay, what?
This is a super crispy chicken and covered with the sweet syrup. Okay. In here we call Kai Wan or sweet chicken. Yeah.
And actually, I do know what this is. We do serve it. Come here, stop here on some of our food tours.
Okay.
It is delicious.
Wanna try?
Yep. Do you want to do it like that or? And fried. Can't get better.
I need rice.
Okay. So one of the reasons I love Pak Khlong Talad is it has memories. I actually brought my wife here on our 5th date at 3 o'clock in the morning. And we ended up getting married. So it obviously had a positive effect. I got her some flowers, and from shop Ton Or actually did the flowers at my wedding. They decorated a whole tuk-tuk in flowers. So thank you Ton Or and friends for the flowers. Okay, so that's why on a personal note it has one importance in my heart.
We are at the rose shop นะคะ and ค่ะ
พัชดาพรโชติชื่นค่ะขายกุหลาบจ้าอยู่ปากคลองตลาดจ้า
Okay ค่ะ There are some change 4 years ago about moving a vendor from the street okay to a proper location in the market. Okay, she also the vendor that once sell on the street. Okay, and right now her shop is here. She's still selling quality roses.
So we're about to head into Yod Piman Flower Market. This market is all about flowers for offerings. This market actually is busiest at 2 o'clock in the morning. People buying flowers for giving fresh as offerings the next day. So let's go take a walk. So we've been bringing people on night tours to the flower market for the last 6 years. Whilst most companies used to walk along the street when there were vendors, we used to always come inside here. And meet my friend Keg and her daughter. We've been speaking to each other for 6 years. I've even been to one of the farms. She collects these flowers from farmers in Nakhon Pathom every day and sells them in the market. This is one of the reasons I love Pak Khlong Talad. It's really about the people. Say hello, bye-bye. Bye-bye. This lady I know as Kunme Nit's mum, Kunme Nit, because Kunit sells coffee during the day and her mother sells when she's not working or when Kunit's husband isn't working.
Okay.
But actually Kunme has been, before she was selling coffee, she was selling a garland in the flower market.
ถ้าอยู่รวมเลยนะแม่40 ปีแล้วนะ
40 years in the flower market in various roles. The flower market, Pak Khlong Talad, is 24 hours, works 24 hours a day. So actually this coffee shop in particular, between the wife, the husband and the mother, they operate 24 hours a day. So they actually are hardly ever at home at the same time together. So 4 years ago, I decided to walk up these stairs. It's not quite what it is now, but let me show you what we discovered. Follow me. So this is what I discovered upstairs, this area. You might find it strange having an Englishman introduce you to the flower market,
Yes, great.
but this is my office. Look at that view. This is our workshop space in the flower market, the market experience, and this is where we run interesting workshops and tours of the flower market. So, welcome to the flower market.
Yeah, and we are work from the market.